All right, 11:02, not in HQ today, back in Florida. I'm at my father's house outside of New Orleans here. So, kind of an impromptu setup here. But I will just let you know, well, you know what you have to do this week. Your final essay, your MLA research essay on the critical perspective, number 10, I believe it's page 1228. I don't have my textbook with me as I am away. But it is the critic arguing that Oedipus, in fact, is not a plaything of the gods, but that, more interestingly enough, that he is the consequence of his actions. Okay, and the blog and journal last week asked you all to kind of wrestle with that idea of fate. Does Oedipus deserve his fate? I believe was the blog question, or the journal question rather. And you guys participated. Not a lot of us over the course of the week. I understand it's Thanksgiving. Some of us, as of today, Sunday, recording this, the first, have participated. So I'll see what you guys had to say and grade that assignment and any other backlogged assignments. I only got a start on those Shakespeare essays last week, so I'll finish those this week. A reminder of the specifications. Of course, you know what your assignment is. It's on that prompt. It's an MLA research essay. So it's an essay that looks, walks and talks, just like every other essay we've done, just like the last research essay. Of course, it's a different topic and a different focus. But 12 point Times New Roman, 3 to 5 sources. Those are scholarly Galileo sources. That is a minimum requirement, 3 to 5. If after you've satisfied that, you want to have additional internet sources, that's fine, but you first must satisfy the academic, scholarly, academic journal sources, 3 to 5, found in the scholarly databases in Galileo. If 4 to 6 pages, 3 to 5 sources, answering the prompt. You do need to list as your primary source the play that is in the book, okay, in our portable literature book. So when you make your works cited page, don't forget you are going to include the play itself as your primary source, and then you have 3 to 5 secondary sources that you will, of course, include as well. Should see in-text citations and a works cited page. Of course, it's a research paper, and this is going to be due, or this is going to be worth more than the other two literary analysis essays. I don't have the syllabus in front of me, so go ahead and check your syllabus for a refresher on exactly how much it is. I think I have it at 20%, 25%, something like that. So hopefully you guys do well on that. I will be available a little bit this week if you have questions, if you need further guidance on answering the prompt. Maybe you looked at the play. I sent you guys I think it was from the 50s, the late 50s, a version of the play. So you guys can look at that to kind of help you see the play dramatized and played out. Mind the pun there. Quite simply, that is it. There's a blog opportunity that I have available to you all as well. I know we haven't had many blogs, so we do have a blog opportunity to go along with your final assignment. So go ahead and participate in the blog, and I will use that blog and the other ones from 1102 as bonus points. So if you've participated in all the blogs, you should be somewhere between 6, 8, 10 points added to your final essay grade. So these are due on the 8th. There is no wiggle room on that. The final blog and the MLA research essay on Oedipus Rex. That is Sunday, and then final grades are due for the college. So in this instance, for you all too, at SHS, due by the 13th. That is spooky enough, Friday the 13th. So no late papers. They need to be turned in by the 8th. Okay, so I hope you all do well on that. It's been a fun ride this term with you all through our struggles and triumphs. And I hope you all do well. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. This is a short video. I'm just putting in a few minutes of FaceTime with you all this week just to kind of remind you of what we need to do to finish strong here. Okay? So it's been real. I wish you all the best going forward. And get in touch with me if you need any help. And I'd like to thank Mr. Churchwell for flying along with me and being the Robin to my Batman, or perhaps it's been vice versa. Who knows? Who's to say in these situations here, when you have a remote instructor and an on-site facilitator. But he and I have been in close touch throughout the term, and we hope you all do what you need to do to end successfully this final week here. So, au revoir, best wishes, peace, and I wish you well. Bye bye.